Here's a 2016 Acura MDX. 3 rows of luxury, entertainment, and precision. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, adaptive suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Car and Driver notes it seems Acura has taken one of our favorite luxury SUVs and made it incrementally better. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.